As a software engineering major, the career goals is to become a full stack developer. In this role, my primary responsibility will include designing, building, and maintaining reliable web applications while collaborating closely with cross-functional project teams to secure a high quality position. I need a bachelor degree in computer science along with professional industry certification such as the AWS certificate uh, developer credential. Uh, Essential technical skill include profile CNC in a programming language like Python and JavaScript alongside crit- critical soft skills such as conflict problem solving and effective teamwork function. Furthermore, I must strictly adhere to professional code of ethics such as protecting user privacy, ensuring data security, and avoiding uh, biased software algorithm. mm, of- Upholding these ethical standards ensure I build a safe, trustworthy mm, technology while maintaining high mm, professional integrity.